Oh, AMG GT Coupe, something like that. Because I just want to take a little break. Ooh, Rolls Royce. One thing I never love about Rolls Royce is the front is so heavy and the bottom is all, you know, drippy. We drippy, mine. What is that, T.I.? No. That's like Dro or something. That's super old though. But yeah, we're gonna pop off for a second, take a breather, and then head on home. I don't want to overdo it. Actually, you know what? F it. Let's just keep riding. But I do want to take a break and get off the bike. And congratulate her for all she's done today. She took me out of a funky mood and put me in a little bit better mood. Not fully who I am right now, as enthusiastic as I am, because it's, you know, when you're kind of sick, your ears are like ventilation pores or ventilation holes. You don't want them to be penetrated, you want them to be open. I have earplugs in, so like I can't really like breathe correctly. What is that red thing? I think it's an F-Type or a Porsche. But yeah, I can't, like, my ears want to pop correctly, but I can't because there's earplugs, butt plugs in my ears. And also it's trying to get hot, so we don't want to be out for too long. You saw that he had his side mirrors look like Batman symbols, logos. But yeah, it's getting hot, so we might have to cut this ride short. But let's go around one more time, and then we'll head on home. We won't be taking the long way home. We'll be taking the short way home because I am starting to burn up like crazy, like the Jonas Brothers, man. Burning up for you, baby. God, that sounds so cringe. Oh, we got a puppers in that car with a small head, dog. I know you ain't from your dog, but you can turn. What's happening here? And you don't stop at stop signs? I thought it was a Rudolph nose, but it's just the red logo of a Tesla. Yeah, let's find an open place, preferably next to an exotic, because there's always an exotic here. Like I said, preferably next to an exotic, because there's always seems to be an exotic around here. I'm tired. It is getting hotter by the minute. This morning was like all foggy and stuff, but now it's just getting hot. Seriously, you parked this car like that? I am burning up, so we're gonna head out. Plus, I can't stay too long. I've rested because my GoPro heats up. Only way to keep the GoPro cool for continuous recording of hours is to be riding. Alright, we took some pics. It's cool when the rims say AMG. It's a nice matte satin look with the little flakes on it. Super nice green. Only person that I have a bone to pick with is the person who named the vehicles. Like, there's a bunch of names out there. You could have chose. And you went with AMG GTR. Alright, let's head out. We got a beautiful AMG GTR. If it's a green one with this paint scheme, it's always a GTR. I haven't seen one. I think it comes straight from factory. Alright, let's do this. I am sweating like crazy right now. Sweating like crazy. So we're headed home. Let's begin this beautiful ride of heading to Mikasa. Hopefully we'll see some more of these beautiful, gorgeous vehicles. In the beginning, I didn't like it as much, but then it kind of grew on me. Well, I did like it compared to, like, you know, Alfa Romeos or anything like that. Or compared, I don't know. I don't know if it's better than the Auto 8 or if, you know, AMG. That's a tough one. I might say Merc is better because I feel like Merc would be more luxurious from the inside. I've just never been a big fan of the Audi R8s. Now we're gonna go nice and slow, and we're gonna feel the beautifulness of the wind. Oh, that feels so good. Especially since we're sweaty as hell right now. Is that a GT? I'm gonna say GT3. Carbon hood, spoiler, and everything. This dude's like F crosswalks. I'll go wherever I want to go. And I think those are gold wheels, or not, bronze wheels. I love bronze wheels. Those are super nice. Looks nice, looks nice. We'll be able to see it because it's gonna turn first. An old dude with a cap on, but looks nice. I'm really exhausted. Can we hear it a little bit? Oh, never mind. It is gold. I think it's a GT4 or GT2. It's not a GT3. Hopefully we'll have a rider come through with us to accompany us home. I am super sweaty right now, man. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. This dude's swerving a little bit, so gotta be careful of that. And don't worry, unlike the other video, I do know where my horn is now. It's not a little tap thingy, but it's a button itself. I'll show you on the other bikes when I'm on those other bikes, like Kakarot's horn is, it's not a button, it's like a little tab thingy that you can push on. A little bit different, alright? A little bit different. Alright, none of them wave, but it's cool. We spread love, even though we get hate, we spread love. Should we? Nah, we'll go from here. Oh, they smoking it up. And they sharing it too. They smoking it and they sharing it. I feel like that dude heard me. They smoking it, they sharing it. He's getting his fingers, exercising him fingers. All that stuff is happening and going down in the minivan right now. Yeah, see that? You guys are witnessing history right now. All that doobie-doobie-doos are being done up in a minivan. M6. Don't worry, dog, I won't take your spot. Calm down, F-Type. Nah, dog, don't press it again. Oh, I didn't know there was somebody behind me, dog. It ain't a sports, otherwise I would have followed him. Alright, the sweatiness is over. Everything's been dried off, and now I'm getting hit with warm air. And I hate it. I hate it. I simply hate it. M6 is all the way back there. We got an I-8. An I-8 right there. I hate your booty. Is what we have right there. Oh, it sucks that my earplugs I get used to riding with earplugs. Like it takes a while. I wish it happened like right away, because now like the ride is almost over. And actually I would keep going, but it's too high. It is way too high. Oh god, man, leave some flags for the rest of the world. Do you think you have enough flags, dog? It does look kind of cool though, all those flags flapping in the air. It does look kind of cool though. And the thing is, they all drive like well below the speed limit. Oh, that dude didn't have a flags or a little flag handle thingy, so he just has his hand sticking out, or some chick. That must hurt. Funny thing is, when you guys see this footage, the elections might already even be over. Because I just got too much content, man. What do you guys expect me to do? What do you guys expect me to do, man? I got too much content. Oh my god. Why must you guys drive so slow? Okay, F you guys so hard. I got a sound at the back of my back that says honk if you like my big booty, and that's why you're hearing them honks. And yeah, the sign people see on the other side of the road as well, so that's why they're honking. Honky tonk. But okay, I don't want to slip on your flag, dog. Put it back in the freaking car. Hey! Saw that Lexus trying to peel on me? Don't peel on a homie, dog. Don't peel on a homie, dog. Foot on the rear brake, hand on the clutch, hitting it with some gas. Sir, your tail light is out. Don't worry, we'll make this good because the turn's about to come up. Eyes are okay, sir. Sir, no. Let me squeeze through, sir. There you go, we did it. Yeah, even if I wanted to, I would ride somewhere else. I wouldn't ride here. This is too much traffic, and people just don't give an F about speed limits. They know everything about their flags, but they don't know what a speed limit is. Murcielago. I've never seen that one before. It's a new one that I'm looking at. That dude's making laps. I'm not waiting, dog. Not in this seat. Tesla, you look like you don't give enough about anybody's life because of the way you keep your white car. So we're not gonna go into your lane. What up, dog? Old. I gotta control myself, man. I can't remember my old blank. Because, you know, that's what we're calling people. Instead of saying curse words, we just call them blanks. We just call them blanks. That old piece of blank. That's just funny. Dude staring at me. What up, dog? Old blank. Ooh, AMG GTR. Ooh, we got a Ferrari maroon. Yeah, we're gonna stick with you, homie. Wait, please, no. I was gonna say please let me be wrong, but no. I was hoping it was a GTR because them fat headlights. Merc, can you move? Thank you. Ferrari, there you go. Not Merc, BMW, can you move? Maroon Ferrari. Old school, too. I like. Actually, I don't really like. I believe this is the model before the California, right? Something like that. Homie. Tesla, have fun looking at my butt, dog. It's the greatest thing you'll ever see, dog. Home, dog. Everybody's cutting you off, homie. Isn't it crazy that this thing is has more power than that thing? I understand size and weight and all that stuff, but still, isn't it cool? Saw that? No feed down, dog. No feed down. Mid-range Corvette. I'm just pointing it out because it's still new to me. I don't see that many on the streets. By the way, if you guys are wondering, it's a Sunday. I'm guessing that's why there's more people out. That sucks. I've been running her in low gear just because it's fun. Plus, it's with the earplugs, I don't hear her so much. Usually I'll be like, oh, that's too damn loud, let's turn her down. She's screaming. But now that ain't the case anymore. It is a beautiful day out. It's just, you gotta remember we're in all these gears and stuff, so it just F's up us. F's us up real big. Real big. F's us up real good. There you go. On those fast, those Audis A7. Carrera S. I ain't gonna stop, homie, so give me yellow. I ain't gonna stop. We made it though, so yo, slow. It. That keeps happening lightly. I never made a turn in neutral before. That was the first. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. A little bit more raw content in this one, as well as a little bit more coming up. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.